What's going on, YouTubers? Gonna be honest with you, I have absolutely nothing planned for today. Been a pretty rough week, but we're gonna play this by ear and see where it goes. So, roll that intro. So today's video is coming from you, not from my car, not from the budget build car, but from a Chrysler 300. I did not realize how big these things have gotten. I, honest to God, feel like I am driving a tank. But if you haven't seen it on Instagram, you'll probably see it before, sooner or later. My Mustang was, had to be towed the other day. There's nothing wrong with it, really, per se. It's a simple fix. For most cars, it's just the alternator. But most cars don't have twin turbos sitting on top of it, so it wasn't something that was going to get done in the parking lot. Let's just say that. So while the Mustang's getting worked on, I actually do have really good insurance and warranty on my car, so they give me a rental car. And under normal circumstances, I wouldn't need it. But my wife's car needs tires. She had a blowout. The Mustang's in the shop, so that takes us down from 3 vehicles to 1 vehicle, which my wife cannot drive. So, here go, rental car. The reason I bring that up is, for the most part, I've had a good experience with Enterprise. Today, I'm going ahead and let you know I did not have a good experience. I was supposed to have gotten picked up yesterday, Thursday, at 9 o'clock. At 8:50, I actually gave a call asking. It's like, hey, y'all still good for 9 o'clock? Yep, we're on our way. Mind you, it is 3.5 miles away from my house to the closest Enterprise. 9:10 comes up. I call, say, hey, are y'all still on your way? I need to be at work by 10. Y'all told me to take 15 minutes to get paperwork. They said, yeah, they're right around the corner. 9:27, I call them back saying, I'm on my way to work. If the person ever finds their way to my house, I'm not going to be there. Enterprise picked me up today. 24 hours late. Now, granted, they were apologetic. They said they were going to give me a free upgrade. I was going to get a premium vehicle. That's where the Chrysler 300 comes in. Premium vehicle. Thanks. They got to prefer the Focus. But it's not that it's bad. It's just huge. This is, it is. The thing is freaking monstrous. I feel like I can barely fit my lanes. It looks like it tried to rip off a Rolls Royce. I don't know what they were thinking when they came into this. But I'll put some videos after this. Some walk-arounds, let you see it. It is the all-wheel drive model. It is only a V6, but I don't know, maybe we can have a little bit of fun in this. We'll see what happens. On the agenda today is get my wife's tires replaced. I need to do 2 of them. Also, as well, I'd like to go check in on my Mustang. I'm having a little bit of separation anxiety. And show you taking off Volkswagen's, taking off Volkswagen wheels. So, thanks, and I don't even know. It's been a long week, folks. Alright, so I am back home. I am going to try to pull Dana's car out, my wife's car, and see if I can get these 2 front tires off, go take them up to the store to get 2 new ones, and then we'll see where we go with this video. So I'll do a small little time lapse. Here we go. So if you've never taken off a Volkswagen tire before, these are little caps. Grab a little hook, just fish it in, and pull them out. I don't know if you'd call it luck or not, but we don't have a wheel lock key on this one, so all it takes is finding the right socket, which should be a 17. I'm gonna take these off real quick. Thanks to my wife, my nice little electric drill. And we'll go get new tires. I'll show you when we're done. One quick thing I want to give you a heads up on. It's Volkswagen has lug studs. So just be careful to take the tire off because it will fall on you. It's not like any other smarter vehicle that actually has something for it to hang on to. It just violently drops. So you've been warned. Alright folks, so it looks like it's going to start raining, but I did get the tires off real quick. I'll spin around and show you why they started leaking. So even though the outside actually looked good, the problem is we couldn't see the inside edge, and she obviously has an alignment issue. Go figure, my wife probably hit something. So let me go take these up to the shop. We'll get new tires on, and I'll bolt it back up. And well, hard part's done. I'm in line to get tires put on my wife's car, or rims rather. So nothing left to do but what? I gotta eat too. Alright folks, so it is pouring rain out here. Got two brand new looking tires. Actually, they are brand new. Going to install them real quick and get out of this rain. We'll figure out what to do after that. I'm not sure if you noticed what I did there or not. Kind of did it in hyperlapse real quick. But basically, since you don't have studs to set them up on, you're going to want to take it off, line it up real easy, and you're going to hand thread those studs. That's one area you do not want to mess up at. Barely barely turn them in a few threads, then actually start giving them a little bit of torque behind it, and then go back and torque it to 88 foot-pounds. We're going to go get the alignment done, and my wife should be happy. So, honey, to-do list over. Well, the good old times just keep rolling. So, I go to get into my wife's car, and when I go to start it, it's saying no key is in range. It's right here. So another thing that happens with Volkswagens, and I'm sure other keyless entry cars, if the battery gets too weak, it can't detect it. So a little trick is every single one of the vehicles, I said, you actually hold this up to it, the car will actually start to power on, just like it normally would. And there you go. I'm assuming it'll work on any of them. But if you ever have your car say that it can't start because key fob is not in range and it's in your pocket or it's in the car with you, hold it up to the pad. It looks like that. It's normally where you normally insert your key, and it's just a quick, it's basically just a quick way to get your car started, or at least buy you some time till you can get a another battery. So off to CJ's to go get the alignment done, and then Dana's good to go. I guess I'm gonna have to try to pick up a battery somewhere in between that time. So I got tired of listening to the beep as I was driving down the road. Even though the car was started, it would continuously beep at me, key is not in range. So I stopped by the store and picked up some batteries. Show you how to install it real quick on one of these key fobs. With a little bit of there you go. If you open it at the back, put your fingers through here, you can pull up. And there's the battery. All I'm going to do is take one of these out, put it in here. So, since I don't have four hands, I'll be right back. So I just snapped the battery down in. See how well you can see. Just pop it in. Once I popped it in, just take the cover, lay it back on. The light works. Back on the road. So this is how CJ stays in business. Both of them, the same spot, right across from each other. And stay tuned for Dana's build. Alright folks, so today I have replaced the two front tires, got it aligned, got new battery for the remote, and did absolutely nothing to my car. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you about the grill. I will maybe do a short video for Tuesday, something I can do in the middle of the week, make it a small one. I'll put some pictures down below on what it looked like once I installed it and where the problems came from. So there you go, husband of the year. I'll have it posted just like that when she comes to pick it up. No joke. If you have anything that you think I should be doing, please comment down below. Yeah, right now I'm just kind of doing my own thing, but if you have some ideas, I'd love to hear them. I really would like to hear y'all's thoughts. If you like this, please subscribe, share, let other people know about it. We hit over 100 followers. I can't tell you how much that means to me that 100 people actually want to listen to what I have to say. Have a good one, y'all. Thanks.